So let's have some fun testing out one of the dynamic prompts room. There's a few dynamic prompts that just really output a lot of good images, and as a result, they're amongst my favorite, and room's one of them. A lot of times, room can output a wide variety of different room styles, eras, even can add a tremendous amount of detail for torn down or broken rooms or like picture perfect rooms. So I really kind of want to do that. Now I've rented a server on Vast AI that I'm connected to. Again, you don't have to use this program locally. This program connects to any Stable Diffusion. Let's also add in, since I'm running it on Vast AI, we can go ahead and really add a lot more stuff. So let's make 20 rooms. So let's make the sampler hewn, which is a high quality one. And then let's make the steps. I could do 32 or 64. Let's do 32. Let's see what we get. By the way, the model that I'm using is anything V3. It's the typical model I use most of the time. This actually looks almost like the same room, just one's more restored than the other. It's interesting how it worked out that way. I really like all the crack work and stuff on this one. I actually really like this. This looks really cool right here, and you got the big cracks in the floor. Ooh, I like this one a lot. It's like a princessy type bedroom. This is interesting. This looks like some kind of entranceway. This is kind of creepy-ish. Alright, this is actually really kind of creepy. Oh, this is weird. What is this? What is this over here? It's like an office. It's like it's a very clean, modern office. Missing some handles over here, beside the point. What's this over here? Oh, cool. Oh man, look at this. Oh, that's so cool. I would not want to be here though. I feel like this is part of like a high-rise skyscraper, and I feel like it's the whole skyscraper's been abandoned for a while, and I would not want to be climbing through there. Oh no. What is this? This is kind of interesting. Oh, this is modern. This is slick. You know, I might post these all on Imgur. I've thought about doing that for you guys, seriously. Oh, I love this image. Cool. It's like yellow tile floor. I never thought about having a yellow tile floor in the bedroom, but I don't mind it. I actually really like the color yellow. Let's make some super wide room images. Let's do 1536. Keep it at 32 steps. Let's generate 5 images. See what we get. Okay, so here's our first one. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. I love all the cool little detail. This feels very old, not taken care of that well. I actually really like it. You have this nice glow that's coming from... I don't think this one came out that good. To be fair, this is like the first image that didn't come out good. And all the images we've rendered. This is an okay image. It came out good, it's just... I feel like there's not a lot of stuff going on in here. And I actually really kind of like this image. That's really just a handful of room images. And I'll probably post all these to Imgur if Imgur will let me, and just give you guys the link, and that way you can kind of look at them all up close and on your own computer. Apart from that, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have fun generating room images. Again, I was using the model Anything V3, and thank you for watching. Bye.